Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to keep Apple Watch screen on. So if you want to keep your Apple Watch screen active so that the Apple Watch screen will not goes off often, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure your Apple Watch screen is always active for at least 1 minute. The way Apple Watch was built, it was built in such a way that the maximum time frame you can keep the Apple Watch screen on is just 70 seconds. So it's unlike your iPhone where you can set your iPhone screen to stay for 5 minutes or never until you press the side button. But on Apple Watch, you can only extend the Apple Watch screen time to 70 seconds. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now first, to keep your Apple Watch screen on, you need to go to your Apple Watch settings. On the settings, scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to display and brightness. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on display and brightness, use the tick round to scroll down. You should see wake duration. Click on that. Then here, choose how long the Apple Watch display stay on when you tap to wake it. So if this is set to 50 seconds, your Apple Watch screen is only going to stay for 16 seconds before it goes off. Now, to keep the Apple Watch screen on for more than 15 seconds, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on wake for 70 seconds. Once you selected wake for 70 seconds on tap, then you can now hit the back button. Then if you want to use always on display, just come here and turn on always on display. However, with that settings in place, if you go back to your Apple Watch home screen, once you tap the screen once, this is going to allow the Apple Watch screen to stay for at least 70 seconds before the screen is going to go off. So that is basically how to keep Apple Watch screen on without your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.